In this video, I will show you how to make an accurate character AI bot. Log into character.ai. On the dashboard, hover over Create and select Character. You will need to input some details here. For this example, I will use the character Levi Ackerman from Attack on Titan. Input his name here. Now, I will go to Google and search for a Levi Ackerman image for his profile icon. I will be using this one as his profile icon. Right-click and save it on the computer. Go back to Character AI and click on this Edit button here, then select Upload Image. Use the image that is downloaded and select Open. Next, I will be using ChatGPT to help me fill in the rest of the details. Here is a prompt that I created that will make it easier for you to make an accurate character. The most important part is the definition. Using this format will make the character stay closer to his or her actual personality. Feel free to tweak this prompt to your liking. I will also put this prompt in the video description below. Now copy this prompt and let's go to ChatGPT and paste this. Once ChatGPT responds, it's time to put Levi Ackerman. Let's wait for ChatGPT to finish responding. Now, I will copy the tagline and paste it in Character AI. Then, I will do the same for the description as well. For the greeting, you can just pick one that you like the most. I will be going with this one. For tags, just pick relevant ones. I have chosen anime and action. This is important if you want others to find your bot. Next, click on More Options. Under Definition, you want to paste the answer given by ChatGPT here. The default option is to hide the definition from others, but you can also make it public as well. Finally, you can choose whether you want your character to be public, private, or unlisted. I will be choosing private. Once you are happy with this, go ahead and click on the Create Character button. Here is some example dialogue I did with Levi Ackerman. The way the bot speaks definitely resembles the real Levi Ackerman. That is it. Thanks for watching.